Hey everyone, in this video let's understand what is line column chart and also let's learn how to create a stunning line column chart using Tableau. A line column chart is also known as a combination chart, which is one of the type of chart that combines elements of both line chart as well as column chart in a single visual representation. That means in a single visualization we could see both line and a column chart. When to use this line column chart? Whenever you want to analyze two numerical variables with one date type of variable, in that case, we're gonna use this chart. What if you are interested in knowing how sales and profit varies over a period of time? In that case, line column is the best option. Now let me show you how to create the stunning line column chart using Tableau. Are you excited? Let's learn that. So as I told, we need at least two numerical variable. Let me select sales. First, we'll do one thing. We'll try to find the year-wise sales. I'll select order date and I'll just select a sales. So, let me go to the show me and let me select this line column chart. Well, it looks horizontally. Let me select profit as well. Now, just go and select this line column chart. So, this is how the line column chart is going to look. So, it clearly shows that whatever in blue color, that's a profit. That's year-wise profit, and whatever in orange color the line represents year-wise sales. So now you can easily interpret that in 2022 sales is highest and also profit is highest, and in 2019 profit is less and even sales is less. So we call this as a line column chart. You can do formatting, you can do changes, such as you can change the color, go to color, and you can edit the color. Since you have two things, here you have to select the palette. So let me just select the palette. Let me assign this. Well, let me try with something else, like lightning dark. Let's assign a palette. Okay, but oh, it looks similar. Let's change something else. Okay, let me go to this winter. Assign palette. No, no. Okay, lightning watermelon. Okay, this is like pretty good. Yeah. So the dark one represents our sales and the light one represents our profit. This is how we're gonna create a line column chart whenever we want to analyze two numerical variables with respect to a date. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.